Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a hologram effect on CapCut PC. So I have a video of you scrolling your phone and screen record the thing like you're scrolling on. And then I'm just going to go and I'm going to add in a mask here. And I'm just going to also like feather it out quite a bit. Then I'm just going to go to basic and turn off uniform scale, and I'm going to adjust the width a little bit more like that. You can add in like a fisheye look to it if you want to. It is a pro feature. For this size I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so it just looks cooler. It is a little bit better if you like scroll it with your hand, but I don't want to take a video of me doing that. So that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.